This segment will cover how to pull the best mailing data on VoterListsOnline.com. And what we have are a few options over on the query overview side. To pull, if you're looking for mailing options, we have unique households and unique address, which will explain the difference between the two. Unique household will unique based on last name and address. So as long as the residents within the house share the same last name, they will be householded. Unique address, on the other hand, will actually pull a unique based on the address alone. So for instance, if you have people that share different last names, typically in college towns with apartments and so on and so forth, only one person per address would get the mail piece and using the unique address field. So for the purposes of the count, we'll select both of these so that you can actually see the difference. And then we'll select the criteria that we're looking overall. And if you need to select anything else, feel free to select that information as well. And then to actually pull the information to give you the best mailing, we want to go under Add Mail and select only CAST certified mail address. Now this is the CAST certification and also verifies the full 5-digit zip code +4. And then something else that we've recommended to mailing clients is that you use the mail address or the mail state field in order to include the data within the state as well. A lot of times you may have people that move out of state, may not have filled out voter registration update information, and you may have people who are outside of the state for military or government reasons. So if you need to also purge that out, you can go under Custom Searching and select Mail State. And we will select NV for Nevada for the state that we're in. And we'll add that to query. And now that's in there. So essentially you have the physical address, which is where their residence is. Then you also have a mail address field, where this is the location where they're receiving their mail. And that brings up another point that when you actually pull the file down and you see the two sets of addresses, the one that you want to mail on are all of the mail address field, which is M address, M city, M state, M zip. So with that information on there, we'll go ahead and recalculate our count. And this will give you a count, and you will see, based on this count right here, that if you're wanting to just go by same last name and same address, you get 263,000. But if you're wanting to unique that completely, you'll have 197,000. So you see a difference right there just within those two selects as far as the amount of mailing, the postage and costs and mailing that you would save for that purpose. And if that's the final information that you need, you can go ahead and check out and then select which one of these it is that you want. And that is our highly recommended path to pulling the best mail data on VoterListsOnline.com.